Hello everybody, my name, you know my name, and today we are gonna unbox the Asus Prime motherboard new we got, SSD also known as solid state drive, and a processor which has a GTX graphic card. Oh my god, this is AMD RYZEN. So I want to, let's just start. I don't know what I want. Okay, let's cut this first. I already have the supervision of myself. I have my own supervision, so I'm using the dangerous tools. Once I got cut to this. Okay, this is gonna take a long. This is the Western Digital Blue SN550, which is a solid state drive. So this is the SSD. It's the most powerful. It's more powerful than the hard disk. Those things, and it's so small but so powerful. And that size is 512 GB storage this has. Oh, look how small this is. Wow. And look at, but this is very fragile. I'm just going to put it back so I don't want it to break right now, because I am not that fragile person. Sorry, this is 500 GB. I got 512. Okay. So the next one is the processor. The AMD RYZEN processor. It has this Ryzen graphics, Radeon graphics unit. Very powerful. I'm so excited. It is not a CPU, it's just APU, accelerating processing unit. Got there for a second. It's open. Right. Look at this. Oh, actually, another stuff. Look at it, man. Look. Okay. Oh, here's a real heavy up. This is the processor. Amazing things you can do. Ryzen 5 series. The back. It's awesome. Amazing cooler. This is Ryzen 5 series. It has Radeon integrated graphics, and they're still not right, but it looks super. Let's go to the next motherboard. Last but not all, the motherboard Prime A520M-A Prime. So this is Asus company. This is I didn't see this. What is this? Let's give this here. And these are the vendors. This is drivers for
sure.
The motherboard.
Gone.
Drivers. It's not correct. This is mean my face. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Voila. Hello everybody. Today we are unboxing this giant, enormous new TV we bought. For my father to work. So let's unbox it. hold your computer. This is the manual. Yeah, you might not want to read that, but I just throw it away because we already know. Let's go open it. Lay this black one down, and then we make this lay down just like that. This thing is from open by the way. So don't press on the screen, but press that so fluffy, guys. Okay, this is awesome. This thing, I'm gonna carry it. It's gonna cut.
Do you want to know
So I'll show you the curve.
what it
See the
is?
curve? See the curve?
The
Okay.
matrix is everywhere,
Let's skip
It is all
it.
around us.
Right.
even now in this
Oh,
very
this,
moment. You can see it when
oh,
you
this
look
thing
out
is
the window.
heavy.
Or
Be
when you
careful,
turn on
guys.
the television.
This video
You can
took
feel
like
it.
half of my muscles away. Like that part where I had to remove the foam from the box, it completely glued my muscle, and when I had to lift this thing was so heavy. So be careful, guys. You might drop it. This thing is not heavy, but kids can't do it. When you use the adult supervision, I let adults carry these things because they're like hard. But I have muscles. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.